Unlock the moisturizing gold code, sodium hyaluronate. In 1934, Professor Carl Meyer, an ophthalmologist at Columbia University in the United States, first discovered it from the vitreous humor of bovine eyes due to its excellent water-retaining ability. It is hailed as the natural moisturizing factor. Nowadays, microbial fermentation has become the main method for larger-scale production of hyaluronic acid. Through biotechnological fermentation, we can produce higher purity and high-quality sodium hyaluronate. Hyaluronic acid is a high molecular weight polysaccharide compound polymerized from two monosaccharides, namely D-glucuronic acid and N-acetylglucosame. It has excellent functions in moisturizing, anti-aging, repairing, and lubrication. It is widely applied in the fields of beauty, medicine, and healthcare. From skincare to medical aesthetics, from oral health products to ophthalmic lubricants, it meets the needs of all scenarios. We have been deeply engaged in the field of sodium hyaluronate for decades. Supported by core technologies, we can precisely customize products. Each batch of products has passed authoritative certifications with traceable quality and stable supply. Exclusive consultants provide one-to-one service, escorting the whole process. Let's jointly explore the new blue ocean of moisturizing gold.